families, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my oldies, mega shout out to you all. To those of you that are about to hit the subscription button, I throw a salute for all of una. Well done and welcome also baby YouTubers. So mega shout out to every one of us. And to other YouTubers again, when we say I want to give big honors to, you see all those mommy vloggers or mommy YouTubers, I throw a salute for exact for not too much, not too good they try. The reason why they praise now like that, the single ones also, I throw a salute for them. But the most especially ones, the ones when be say, with children, like mommy vloggers, daddy vloggers, not to go much, not to go 3 much, not 4 much, not 5 much. It's not really easy. So people go say YouTube now work, or to be a social media person now work. My people, now work now work. Oh no go, not just no. Now you be this YouTube matter, then be page matter, then be face. Short Instagram, then be the matter. If you never reach it, you say now just to do video go for there. Now sorry guys if I'm moving my eyes up. Excuse me and pardon me for that, okay? Not be to just do video go for there. Not be to just upload video go for there. At all. It's bigger than that. To over do video go for there, you know how long it take to upload video for there. So people say YouTube now work. Now work. Now work. Before I can't get one content come for them, you know how I defeated a battle with my children, with other of my things when they keep me busy when I need to do. It's not easy. So my dear mommies in the house and sisters in the house and uncles and daddies, I'm this video just to encourage ourselves that don't let anyone discourage that YouTube now work or Facebook now work. Anything media not be work. Now big work. Now big work. As far as you they get little peanut from it, is a big work. And it's not easy for you to create a content at all. It's not easy for you to create a content. Those are the ones they say whether now work or not be work. If it is, may they try to do one recording. May they edit and put for them, may they know the way it be. Especially those when be say they look down on those people when they do YouTube and they call the content, they say they're not go work, they're not go do this, they're not go do that. You know, before you can't say you want record, maybe for instance you they cook or you they do or even sit down to talk. Maybe you get children. Before you calm those your children down. If I'm not mistaken, I believe my son voice now they enter this video. So don't allow anyone to discourage that if YouTube now work. Okay? YouTube now work. Big one. Anything media, Instagram, anything they do, maybe they take your time. Just the one. As I say, give you joy. Don't be discouraged. And then say you never, hey God, especially when we baby YouTubers, so they try to still they grow our channel small. One person can tell you say now work you did, just go live and me fair. According to even my own blood brother tell me say sister, this one now another one you go put yourself. This one now work. Do you understand me? So I say, hey, which one be this one I work? Not this one I work. Now work now the new work when I offer for myself with this. If even come where I tell and say, my brother, I better me keep my children. I want to do recording for Sekishi. I want to do this recording for my room. You go say you know fit to. I say should be they ask me then I work. You still say to do this record, it's not easy. It's not too easy like that. So mega shout out to all my mom, all those mommy YouTuber. I zap for now. You know it not be easy job. At all, not be easy job. For you to calm your children down before you come to do recording or come to do live streaming like this. Or even come to talk, sit down, just the talk. It's not easy to keep the calm. I beg not let anybody discourage you now. Keep on pushing, guys. Another thing again, for when they try to grow, so never you give up. Keep on pushing. You are going there. Very soon you are going to arrive there. Very soon the whole world they are going to hear about you. Don't give up. You don't start like all the whole efforts when be saying not to sleep. Especially go the grind. Come grind, go to look for sub to sub and all that. Come go they crack your head to leave comments and all that also. you just come do audition place, you say because the thing not come defeat the move again, not that you don't. I want just give up. Don't give up. I'm here to encourage you to do that. Don't give up. Even me that I'm talking here now, I'm still struggling to get there. May God not let us struggle for nothing in the name of Jesus. Amen. May we not labor in vain. May our labor never be in vain. We go enjoy the fruit of our labor as we don't take the struggle to put 1 or 2 content for this for this YouTube. We are going to enjoy in return. This video is just to encourage my fellow YouTubers that are still struggling to grow. Keep on pushing. Those big YouTubers that they have 10K, 50K, 20K, 100K. They start from somewhere. If you go down their video, you go say when they see you start, they see they shine like me and you from the beginning. So no look at now and say because they shy. Yeah, it's not easy to face camera. Even me, the shyness. If I tell you where I go package my output, I carry one luggage come out like I say this shyness today you will leave me. I begin package jam, put on for inside luggage. I zip them up. Although some still there with me, but I try to suppress those shyness. People when they don't get too head with my sister, my brother. Why you want on the shy to face camera? Just imagine, for instance, I did my city room now. They do this recording. Nobody they really look me, but people go watch the video later. Anyway, they go watch on. But why you the shy as you do the recording now? Just live shy, my sister. If you go look at those big YouTubers down, go try to watch on the big YouTuber. When you go watch their old video, their old video down, you go see say they still shy like me and you. So no worry, we all go strong for this YouTube of 18. So for this recording video to face camera, the confidence, we all go strong. We all go get that confidence. Time to come. You go get that confidence. Time to come. Like you can't see your camera, able to carry your phone up and down. Your camera follow street. You not come to shy again. Which day for you? I be say okay, might just do some recording for street. I can't dey shy. I no fit. I no fit. So I can't say which can't it be my own phone when I just still hold say I want to do camera. Now they shy like this put. I no fit. But I know say with time I'll still try to still carry another big luggage come out again. Still package that shy to hold my phone for us. I don't feel record. I'll still remove that shame, like put on for inside bag, zip and lock on for inside there. So that when I will go outside, if I want to do any recording, I will do the recording for outside. If I want to do any vlog, I will do any vlog for outside. You understand me? So sister, brother, not the shame. Not the shame. I know say even me I the shame, but just pick up courage. Pick up courage. Say yes, now let me one day, let me talk, let me put my mind to encourage ourselves. Don't be shy. As far as what you want, go for it. Don't be bothered that who is going to watch my video. People are going to watch it. Yes. People are going to watch it. Just pray that God bless the work of my hand. When God bless the work of your hand, you not go reason. They're not go reason and say maybe what don't you talk, you correct or you not correct again. Your video might go viral. If one of your video go viral, what do you define again, sister, brother? Forget shame. Forget English. Forget the content. Whether your background. Forget your background. Forget where you for to do something. Whether with time you cause it. Best they upgrade. Stopping by, sister, brother. Then you package your shy put for somewhere as I take package my own. So mommy, daddy, when you package your shyness. So many of us get a lot of skills, a lot of talents. When we say we're supposed to learn from each other, but because of shyness and all that, you never let many of us bring her. I don't want to bring her out. So me too, I want to learn from people. I want to learn from una shyness also. As I believe some people will still watch from me, still learn. Me, I so much believe to learn from others. I don't know about people, but me, I really believe like say I want to learn from others. So drop your content out there. People will watch. I will watch. People will watch mine also. Okay? So guys, let's be bold to face our camera. Don't be shy. It's your camera, it's your phone. You are there alone. When you put up on there, you throw away your face like this. If comment they come, let comments come. Let's comment. You know, some people, they don't know if you hide themselves for comment section. They go still drop their opinion. Let them drop and you go upgrade. If you upgrade, they'll come still and say, hey, I don't change, you don't upgrade. Yes. So I don't want this video to be too long. Thank you also so very much. I just want to put this video out there to encourage someone out there. Also to encourage myself also. Okay, don't be shy, be bold to face your camera. Okay, don't let anyone tell you that YouTube is not a job. Uploading content is not a job, it's a big job. Take it upon yourself that is a big job, okay? Because you are going to be big someday. If not today, but someday you are going to be big, okay? Thank you also so very much. Please, if you are still watching me till this very moment and you have not hit the subscription button, oh yeah, now make you join the family. Oh. Make you join the movie train. Okay. Thank you so much as you are about to hit the subscription button. Say to my oldies. Mega shout out to you all. To those of you that is about to join this family. Oh my God, I embrace you all with love. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining this family. Thanks in advance. See you all again in my next video.